Let me show you all display settings that we have available on the Motorola Signature. So if we open settings and scroll down in here, as you can see, we have display settings in displays, and we have some standard options like, for example, the screen brightness, which can be adjusted quite easily. We also have the adaptive brightness or automatic brightness. We can toggle the dark theme, and if you tap on the option itself, we can find the schedule option, so you can make automatic dark theme that can be enabled and disabled at a given time. We also have colors, so you can adjust colors that display on your screen. And we have the color wheel over here that allows you to adjust the color temperature. We have the dynamic video enhancement, which makes videos more vivid, sharper, and generally more vibrant, which can be enabled over here, but of course it increases power consumption. Then we have display size and text settings, so you can make the text smaller or bigger, and you can actually make everything smaller or bigger over here. There's also the bold text and outline text, or the high contrast text actually, available in here. Now, besides that, we can also find the refresh rate settings, where we can use up to 120 Hz, or we can limit the refresh rate to 60 Hz. Now, you might be wondering where is 165 Hz, and it is still available, as we can read over here. When playing a game time, so the game turbo, overrides this setting, allowing for a 165 Hz display refresh rate. So we do have 165 Hz, it is just available while playing games. Now, besides that, we have the automatic screen rotation, which can be easily enabled or disabled over here. The color contrast mode. We have the night light, so the eye protection, which might be useful if you're looking at the screen at night. This can protect your eyes, and of course, if you go over here, you can create a schedule and adjust intensity when the night light is enabled. We have the flicker prevention, screen timeout option, so you can choose after what time of inactivity the screen should put itself to sleep. And there is also, of course, the attentive display. The screensaver settings, which can be enabled or adjusted, so you can choose a different screensaver. Here you can also choose when the screensaver should start displaying itself, and we have the preview option. And we have some more settings, like for example the screen recorder settings, 3-finger screenshot. We have swipe to split, so we have a couple of gestures visible over here, and smart connect shortcut for some reason over here in display. Besides that, if you're looking for more visual settings, you might want to go to personalize instead, where you can change the theme, you can also change the font, icon shape, colors of the system, and so on and so forth. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.